Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into next week. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 19 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 19, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at everything from a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As next week plays out, that line will move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 19 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about the pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the famous 200-period moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period, and you know that when the price is down below it, that level does tend to act as resistance, and that is exactly what happened here. Yeah, the price did temporarily get up above it, but that didn't last very long, and then you can see the price, ultimately, got pushed quite a bit of ways below it. So I'm not saying that the price can never break up above the 200-period and stay up above it. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did kind of stop right around that area of the chart. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume. And as long as the price from a bigger picture just continues to now start to chip away and build higher lows, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking up through that 200-period moving average. So great way to end the week. And like I said, a lot of eyeballs are definitely going to be on this one next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.